Today we're exploring the Cloud Baby Bedside Baby Bassinet, the ultimate solution for safer co-sleeping with your newborn. This portable sleeper effortlessly combines lightweight construction with an easy assembly process, allowing you to set up and move the bassinet wherever needed for your baby's comfort and convenience. With 6 adjustable height settings, you can customize the bassinet to align perfectly with your bed, ensuring a seamless sleeping surface for both you and your little one. The aluminum frame provides stability while remaining lightweight, and the double-mesh detachable side panel ensures excellent breathability and safety. Plus, the included Halo music box and crib mobile create a soothing environment with gentle melodies to lull your baby to sleep. Cleaning is a breeze with washable mattresses and sheets, making maintenance effortless and keeping the sleeping area fresh and hygienic. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and safety with the Cloud Baby Bedside Baby Bassinet, designed to give both you and your baby a restful night's sleep. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.